Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you my go-to eye makeup look, glam eye makeup look, smoky eye makeup look, जो भी आप इसको बोलना चाहें. Basically ये makeup look है, eye makeup है जो मैं practically 95% of the times अपनी आँखों पे करती हूँ because it is simple and even though it is smoky eye, it really does not complicate things because you're pretty much using only different shades of a single color. So you're using a light brown, a dark brown, a mid brown. So it's basically you're working with browns. So you will not be messing up the eyeshadow anyway. It is pretty much the eye makeup that I have done past over 8 months now, I think. Yeah, I think over 8 months. And I just love it because it is simple, does not take a lot of time, does not involve a lot of complications, and anybody who doesn't even know how to do a smoky eye can actually do this because इसको mess up करने का chance बहुत कम है. Like probability of messing the simple makeup look is next to zero. And I have also shown you 2 lip color options. So the one that I'm wearing is a darker lip option. If you are using it in the night time, you can bump it up with just a bright red lip or a bright pink lip. And if you're using if you are going to wear it in the daytime, which जो मैं अगर daytime में पहनती हूँ, I usually pair this look with a subtle, like a neutral or a nude lip color, which also I have shown you in this video. So without rambling further, I really hope that you enjoy this video. And yeah, I've already done my base makeup, so I'm not really showing you how I have done my foundation and everything, but all of the products that I have used in this tutorial will be listed in the description box below, so please do check it out. And if you want to know what foundation I have put on, what blush, what highlighter and stuff like that. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Till then, all of you take care. Mwah, and enjoy this tutorial. Hello everyone, so my base makeup is done and now let's move to the eyeshadows. So I'm going to take an oldie, really old eyeshadow. This is Texture by MAC. I just kind of really fell in love with this eyeshadow all over again. But this eyeshadow I'm going to take and I'm going to place on my upper crease area, and I'm going to blend it in windshield wiper motions all over the upper crease area, not coming too low along the eyes because we need to put some other color there. The beauty with this makeup look is that you can you can pretty much place eyeshadows anywhere, blend them all together, and still you will land up with a good look. So this is the next eyeshadow I'm taking. This is by PAC. This is their 9 matte eyeshadow palette. The color is similar to Texture, but it is matte. Texture has a little bit of golden reflex in it. So I'm going to place this under Texture, and you can see I'm pretty much going all over the lid, which is why I said that you can place the eyeshadows pretty much anywhere, blend them all together, and you'll still land up with a very decent and in fact a very beautiful brown smoky eye. And just blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm going to take some banana powder. I'm going to put it under my eyes to catch any fallout that will potentially happen from the next eyeshadow that I'm taking, because that eyeshadow kind of falls, which is this one. This is by HUDA Beauty. This is their Warm Obsessions palette, and I'm taking this matte dark brown eyeshadow and putting this eyeshadow all over my lid. I am patting my brush on the lid as much as possible to get most pigment intense on the lid area, and you see how beautiful this eye look looks. You can use any dark brown eyeshadow here. You can use a metallic one, matte one, doesn't matter. From the same HUDA Beauty palette, I'm taking this camel color eyeshadow and I'm blending all of the eyeshadows together once again just to create a very seamless smoky eye. Dusting off the excess banana powder because now we don't need it. Our work is pretty much done. Make sure you dust it properly, otherwise you will have a lot of it left. Time for gel liner, and this I'm going to do off camera because I can't do it with one hand. So I will be back like this. Yay! And liner done. Now coming over to the waterline, I'm going to take the same gel eyeliner and I'm going to put it in my waterline. And I think I have mentioned it that if you use a gel liner in your waterline, the chances of it smudging and you looking like a panda or you having panda eyes is very rare because gel liners do not smudge so fast. So if you plan to dance all night or if you plan to wear this for a longer time duration, I suggest you use a gel liner in your waterline. Next is mascara, and I'm using the Color Bar Zoom and Boost mascara. I've been loving this mascara a lot, and you'll see the effect in a second. You can also at this stage throw on some falsies and you'll be good to go. So this is how your eye look should look. You can see how beautiful yet subtle yet feminine it looks. Now for the first lipstick color is this lipstick. This is Max Meher, my ride or die lipstick. If I don't know what to wear, I just close my eyes and I pick up Meher and I wear it, and it looks stunning. It's a perfect pinky neutral color for my taste, and with this lipstick, this is how the look will look. Very subtle yet very glamorous, and it's perfect if you want to wear it even in the night time. You do not wish to really wear a red lipstick or a pink lipstick or any other lipstick, and just throw on this pink color and see how beautiful it looks. It looks very classy and yet wearable in the daytime or the night time. And now let's move to the second lip color, which is this one. This I'm going to show you is a red lip color. This is Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink number 20, and this is my favorite. Like this is just a beautiful red color. Looks so stunning, and you see how just changing the lip color changes this entire look altogether, from a subtle pretty look to a very hot and a sensuous makeup look. So yeah, that is it. This is my go-to glam makeup look. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to give it a like, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, all of you take care.